6 Tricks to Regain Lost Focus. It happens to everyone at some point. You're moving along, zipping through your to-dos at work or at home, and then boom! Something happens around you, and your focus and productivity train is derailed. It can be tricky to find your footing and get back into your groove. However, 6 tricks can minimize the chance of derailment and help you to get back on track after losing focus. 1. Meditate. Meditation is like exercising the muscle of your mind. A few moments every day is a way to practice focus and attention. Meditation can seem odd and overwhelming for many. Try starting with a guided meditation app or station. A few minutes every day can make a big difference. 2. Silence your phone and computer. We're all guilty of it. Every time your phone rings, vibrates, or lights up, you automatically look away from your task to glance at your phone. Stop those notifications, silence your phone, or put it out of your line of vision in a desk drawer or up on a shelf. 3. Close your door. If your office is in a high-traffic area, consider closing your door for a few hours a day so you can work through your more complicated tasks. This will eliminate the distractions of people walking by, sticking their heads in, and may make others think twice before knocking. This will give you more uninterrupted time to work. 4. Take breaks. Taking breaks probably seems counterintuitive. However, taking breaks from work can give your mind a rest too. Also, if you know you have a 10-minute break coming up, it'll provide you with an incentive to push through a laborious task. 5. Stop multitasking. There's no way around this, but multitasking is killing your productivity and your focus. Multitasking means you're splitting your attention between multiple items, which means you're not giving anything your full attention. Stop it. Focus on one task at a time. 6. Remove internal distractions. Internal distractions are the little ideas, to-dos, and random thoughts that pop into your head while working on a different task. When this happens, take a moment to write down that thought or to-do and then get back to work. Writing it down will allow your brain to let go of it while you get back to work and can revisit it later. Regaining lost focus doesn't have to be a carnival trick. With practice and the correct tools in place, you can restore your focus quickly and with little downtime.